Hello everybody and welcome back to another Stun Brothers weekly tutorial. In this week's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to solve the wooden snake puzzle. Alright, let's jump right in. So the first part in solving your snake puzzle is to get it completely flat like I'm going to show you with mine. Okay, as you can see, it's completely flat and it's as long as it can be like this. Now I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to have a specific side on my right, which is these three columns. They're three tall. And so you're going to find this, it's not anywhere else on here, you're going to find these and then you're going to put them together like this, kind of making a six-pack. And then make sure the rest of the snake cube is facing down when you're solving it like this. Now make this piece face towards you, like that. And then this L shape, the whole thing is going to rotate kind of to the right over here. And then, so once you have it looking like this, you're going to take this three column again, and you're going to rotate it 180 degrees so that it's facing away from you, like that. Okay, so this is what we have so far. The rest of the cube is down here. Now we are going to rotate this one at us, just like that. And then we're going to rotate this one twice so that we can start just folding the cube onto itself. You can pretty much solve it from here, but if you want help, here it is. So this three column is going to go right into there. So it just lays on top of the ones we've already kind of solved. Then this three column right here is just going to lay down like this. And then rotating the cube a little bit, we're going to see we have a little hole right here, but we're going to like just go in the hole and then up and around the cube. And that's all you have to do. So rotating it like this, we're going to rotate everything downwards, still keeping the rest of the cube so that we can solve and go around. And then we're going to rotate this up, and that already rotated into place. And then, I mean, you can pretty much see it from here, and then rotate it like that, and then rotate this one 180 degrees down to finish out the cube. Alright guys, that is it for this week's tutorial video. Thank you guys for watching, and please leave a like if you enjoyed it. Also, check out Stun Brothers down below. We make awesome tutorials every week about random stuff that we find interesting, like tying our shoe in a second, or how to win a coin toss every time. Thanks again, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.